Want to record your voice and turn it into text on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus? Here's how to record and transcribe in just a few taps. First, open the Voice Recorder app. If you don't see it, just search for it from your app drawer. Now tap Record and start speaking. When you're done, tap Stop and save your recording. Now, open the recording you just made. Look for the Transcribe option or logo top right corner. Tap it. Here you will find 3 options. Just tap on Transcribe and your phone will convert the audio into text. But if your language is not downloaded, it will ask you to download it first. Then the audio will be converted into text. Give it a few seconds and you'll see the full transcript on screen. You can copy the text, share it, or even edit it if needed. For better results, try recording in a quiet environment and speak clearly. That helps improve transcription accuracy. And that's it. Thanks for watching till the end.